Welcome to the show. To the show. To the show. Using our Budon's board color brown.
And a piece of chalk, a white magic chalk.
We will discuss about the distance formula given 2 points
And a point and a line.
I smell something.
Oh my God, really? I need to take a pee. See you later. Bye.
I will discuss about distance formula between 2 points. Using the equation square root of quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 quantity squared plus x sub 2 minus x sub 1 quantity squared, or square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 quantity squared plus x quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 quantity squared. Find the distance between the pair of points given 3 and negative 1, 6 and negative 5. Using the equation with x sub 1 equals 3, y sub 1 equals negative 1, x sub 2 minus equals 6, y sub 2 equals negative 5. Square root 6 minus 3 quantity squared plus negative 5 minus negative 1 quantity squared equals 6 minus 3 quantity squared minus negative 5 plus 1 quantity squared. 6 minus 3 equals 3 squared minus negative 5 plus 1 equals negative 4 squared. Square root of 9 plus 16 equals square root of 25 with an answer of 5. Other example will be discussed by Mary Ann Saitora and Rowan Olivera.
This is the other example of distance formula given by 2 points. Find the distance between pair of points given 3, 4, negative 5, and 6. 3 is x sub 1, 4 is to y sub 1, negative 5 is x sub 2, and 6 is y sub 2. Find the distance formula. Negative 5 minus 3 quantity square plus 6 minus 4 quantity square. Negative 5 minus 3 equals negative 8 square plus 2 square. Negative 8 square equals square root of 64 plus 2 square equals 4. And square root of 64 plus 4 is equal to square root of 68. Since 68 is not perfect square, we must get the factor of it. Factor of 68 is 17 and 4. Since 4 is a perfect square, we must get the square root. 17 times 4, square root of 4 is 2. We must get out of a radical sign. So the answer is 2 square root of.
Find the distance between the pair of points negative 3 and 0 and positive 5 and 6. X sub 1 as negative 3, y sub 1 as 0, x sub 2 as 5, and y sub 2 as 6. So, quantity x minus 0, quantity squared plus quantity 5 minus negative 3, quantity squared. 6 minus 0 equals 6 squared. Then 5 minus negative 3, change the subtrahend, then it will change as positive 3, and the sign will change as plus. So the answer is 8, then raised to 2. So 6 raised to 2 is equals to 36, 8 raised to 2 is equals to 64. the square root of 36 plus 64 equals the square root of 100. So the square root of 100 is equals to 10.
Given the line and a point. The formula we're going to use this is the distance is equal to the absolute value of ax plus by plus c all over the square root of a squared plus b squared. Let's have an example. Given the line which is 2x plus minus 3y is equal to negative 1 and the point negative 2 and 4. So a here is 2, b is equal to negative 3, and c is equal to negative 1. And x is equal to negative 2, and y is equal to negative 4. So we're going to substitute it to the formula. So 2 times negative 2 plus negative 3 times 4 plus negative 1 absolute value all over square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared. So, pag sinimplify siya, magiging 2 times negative 2, negative 4, negative 3 times 4, negative 12, tapos minus 1. So, absolute value niyan, tapos sa baba, 2 raised to 2 is equals to 4, 3 raised to 2 is equals to 9. So, pag sinimplify ito, negative 4 minus 12 minus 1 is equals to negative 17. Ito naman, 4 plus 9 is equals to 13. Since yung denominator niya nasa radical form, i-rationalize natin siya. I-multiply natin siya sa fraction na equal sa 1 na pwede rin makapagtanggal ng radical sign. So, i-multiply natin siya sa square root of 13 over square root of 13. So, negative 17 times square root of 13 is equal to negative 17 square root of 13. Negative 13 times square root of negative 13 times square root of negative 13 is equal to 13. So, yung answer, negative 17 square root of 13 over 13. Examples will be given by Almelin Labay and Isagani Mondala.
Another example for the distance formula given a line and a point is find the distance between the line 2x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 and a point negative 2 and 5. From the equation of a line, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to negative 3. And from the point, x is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to 5. To find the distance, we should substitute these given values to the given formula. b is equal to the absolute value of 2 times negative 2 plus 4 times 5 plus negative 3 all over the square root of 2 times 2 plus 4 times 4. To simplify it, 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4, 4 times 5 is equal to 20, minus 3 all over 2 squared is equal to 4 and 4 squared is equal to 16. Negative 4 plus 20 minus 3 is equal to 13 and 4 plus 16 is equal to square root of 20. Since 20 is not a perfect square, we will find two factors and the factors are 4 and 5. 4 is a perfect square, so it will become 2 square root of 5. 13 over 2 square root of 5 should be rationalized. We must multiply it to 2 square root of 5 over 2 square root of 5. 13 times 2 square root of 5 is equal to 26 square root of 5. And 2 square root of 5 times 2 square root of 5 is equal to 20. We must get the simplest form of 26 square root of 5 over 20. And it will become 13 square root of 5 over 10. 13 square root of 5 over 10 is the distance.
Another example of distance formula is find the distance between the line y is equal to 2x plus 1 and the point negative 3 and 2. The standard form of this equation is 2x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. We must substitute this equation and the point in the formula of the distance formula of the line and the point, which is distance is equal to the absolute value of ax plus by plus c over the square root of a squared plus b squared. So
A is equal to 2, X is equal to negative 3, B is equal to negative 1, Y is equal to 2, and C is equal to 1. So, 2 times negative 3 is equal to negative 6. Negative 1 times 2 is equal to negative 2 plus 1 over 2 square root of 2 is equal to 4 and negative 1 square is equal to 1. So, 6 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to negative 7 and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Square root of 5. So, we remove this, the absolute sign. Take note that we will take the absolute value of the numerator. So, it is always positive. So, 7 over square root of 5. Since the denominator has a radical sign, we must rationalize it. So, we must multiply it by square root of 5 over square root of 5. 7 times square root of 5 is equal to 7 square root of 5, while the square root of 5 times square root of 5 is equal to 5.
Marielos Cardenas.
Rumian Gonzales.
Jorowen Oliveria.
Anmelin Labay.
Mary Ann Aceitono.
Isagani Mondala.